welcome to Josh Creates, where creativity goes wild. First of all, this is my first video, so welcome to the channel. By the way, my name is Alicia, and today we'll be making slime. Okay, so the ingredients you're gonna need is glue, of course, Elmer's glue or any other glue you know that works. And then Sta-Flo, liquid starch, or again, any other activator you know works. And then shaving cream if you want to make fluffy slime, and food coloring if you want to make colored slime, or both if you want to make colored fluffy slime. The materials you're going to need are a spoon or some sort of mixer you have, and then you probably need a bowl or something you can put ingredients inside, mix together, like a cup or something like that. Okay, so what you're going to do first is you're going to start adding the glue. You add more glue depending on how much slime you want. Now you can add shaving cream, and now is a good time to color too. We're gonna start mixing. You just wanna mix this all in. You don't have to mix it completely in together because we still have to add our activator. Now we're ready to activate the slime. You put little by little until you have the slime consistency you want. Okay, so this is the final product. Clicks great. Makes great bubbles. I love the color, very fluffy. And here it is. Guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any more of my videos. Bye.